we need to talk about adjusting a T2 return. So I'm going to transmit what I have. Okay, so we have a transmitted T2 return. Now I need to go and adjust that. Maybe the client found some extra income that they forgot to tell me about. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to select that I'm filing an amended tax return. And there is also an adjustments note for T2 adjustment notes. This gets transmitted with the amended return, so you probably will want to put just some notes in here for CRA to explain to them why the T2 return is being adjusted. And once you have done that, you just simply go and you've made your updates within TaxCycle. So say maybe they had some interest income that we didn't account for. Then it should also give me, there it is, there's my banner. So it's going to ask me, do I want to rename my file? You've adjusted it, and I'm going to say, yes, I do. I want to rename my file, and I'm going to save that. And then I can dismiss that banner. And then it's going to give me another banner that says, do I want to see my changes that I've made and take an amended T2 snapshot? So I'm going to first look at my changes. And so this is going to show me all of the fields that got changed with my adjustment. So if I go here, and you'll see now that this is an orange color, and if I hover over it, it's going to tell me what my as filed amount is. So I can quickly double check my work and make sure that my amendment is the way that I expect that it should be. And if I'm all good there, I can go to my transmit. And I'm going to just dismiss the results here. And then I'm going to, I didn't add adjustment notes after I finish telling everyone you need to. Okay. And then my assets and liabilities are out of balance because I added an amount and didn't balance it. But assuming that that was balanced, then I would now be able to get that transmit again option here, and I would be able to transmit now that amended return to CRA. And I'll probably, and I would recommend also taking an as amended T2 snapshot in here as well.